Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Volkswagen Beetle. Let's start by lightly sketching a large oval shape, which will form the main body of our car. Above this, draw a slightly smaller, flatter oval to represent the roofline. Now, gently connect these two ovals with smooth, curved lines on both sides, creating the basic silhouette of the iconic Beetle. Keep your lines light, as we will refine them later. Now, let's refine the body. Carefully draw the prominent, rounded front and rear fenders, making them distinct from the main body. The Beetle's fenders are a key characteristic, so give them a nice, full curve. Next, gently shape the hood and the engine cover at the back, ensuring all your lines flow smoothly and organically. This step really brings out the car's unique profile. Moving on, let's add the essential details. Draw 4 perfect circles for the wheels, with 2 visible on each side, slightly tucked under the fenders. Next, sketch the iconic rounded windshield and side windows, giving them a slight curve. Don't forget the circular headlights at the front and the smaller, round taillights at the rear. These elements truly define the Beetle's friendly face. For our final touches, let's add some smaller details. Draw the door lines, the front and rear bumpers, and any other small trim elements you wish to include, like the side mirrors. Carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are no longer needed, cleaning up your drawing. Finally, apply some light shading to give your Volkswagen Beetle drawing a sense of depth and dimension. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.